So this is how we can turn off the noise cancelling on the AirPods Max. Let's get into it. So basically at first you want to ensure that you are connected with the AirPods Max, that everything is set up properly, and then you put the AirPods over your ears and you can start just tweaking that setting. So the first option is to use the longer button on the AirPods, so not the circular, the ring which you rotate for volume, but the other one which is designed specifically with this intention. So you can tap on it and you can switch to the regular mode or to the transparency mode or cycle through the noise canceling and just so on, right? So you can use the button on the AirPods like that and switch to the different modes and therefore like turn off the noise cancellation. However, you have some different options as well, as you can also use the software, like you can swipe down to access the control center, and then in the volume slider you can just pick the very same options again, but you have it visually. You can use your finger and you don't need to use the button on the AirPods. In a similar fashion, opening up the Bluetooth settings of your phone, you can find the AirPods right there as well, and the very same slider from the transparency all the way to the noise cancellation can be found there too. So if you prefer it that way, then you can also use it through the settings. So that's essentially how you can turn it off. It's not that big of a deal. It's very simple. And a lot of times you might be switching in between these modes as like different situations that require a different setup. So that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the future.